Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to solve one question based on the chapter 2 shapes and angles. So let's start our question. Look at this angle and answer the following question. Here a figure is given. We have to look this figure carefully and we have to answer the questions asked below. So what is the first question? First question is arms of the angle. As we have already learnt about angles in our previous classes, what is the angle? An angle is formed by the two rays which shares a common endpoint. So here two rays are AB and BC, and these two rays are sharing a common endpoint that is called B. So here angle is formed. This is the angle. Okay. So first question is, what is the arm of the angle? So these two rays AB and BC, these are the arms of the angle. What is the arms of the angle? AB arm and BC arm. Now next one is, what is the vertex of the angle? So what is common in these two rays? In first ray is AB, second ray is BC. What is the common point in these two rays? Common point is B. So common point is called vertex of the angle. So what is the vertex of the angle here? B is the vertex of the angle. Okay. Now the next is name of the angle. अब हमें किसी भी एंगल का नेम अगर हमें लिखना है तो हम सबसे पहले एंगल का मार्क करेंगे, एंगल का साइन डालेंगे, उसके बाद नेक्स्ट हम 3 ब्लैंक्स डालेंगे. बस हमें एक चीज़ ध्यान रखनी है कि वी विल ऑलवेज राइट वर्टेक्स इन द सेंटर. B is the vertex, so we always write vertex in the center. Now the point is A and C. We can write A here and C here, and another option is we can write C here and A here. But keep in mind, we will always write vertex in center. So what can be the name of the angle? Angle ABC is also correct, or angle CBA is also correct. We can write angle ABC, or we can also write angle CBA. Now we are moving towards the next. What are the points on the arms? Here first arm is AB. Here first arm is AB. So what point is given on the arm AB? Point T. And the another arm is BC. What point is given on the arm BC? S point. So on arm AB, point T is given, and on arm BC, point S is given. So T and S points are given on the arms of the angle. Now next is interior point. As the name is suggesting, in means under. So those point which lies inside the angle, that points are called interior points. And what is the exterior points? Those points which lies outside the angle, that points are called exterior point. So here interior points are, these all are interior points because these points are given inside the angle. So interior points are P, Q, N, M. And what are the exterior point? These are the exterior point. So what are the exterior point? C, F, R. Okay students, thank you and have a nice day.